Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to use signature font in Canva, what you need to do. But before that, if you want to master Canva, try Skillshare for free for 1 month and find amazing classes to boost your Canva designs. Sign up now. I will leave the link in the description below. Let's get started. How to use signature font in Canva. First, you need to go to Canva and log into your account, and then in the search bar type the design you are looking for. For example, Facebook post, and then create blank Facebook post. After that, click text and then add a heading, and here you can type, for example, fonts. Okay, just increase the size. And then here click font, change the font, and here write hand writing. Or here handwritten. And you can see here you have many fonts you can choose from. For example, here this one here, this one here, this one, this one here. Yeah, just scroll down and see what you like most. This is what you need to do if you want to use signature font in Canva. I hope this video is helpful, and please subscribe to my channel if you have found value in this video. This will help me to grow and will help my followers to find my future video. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.